Hi guys, it's your girl Deja and welcome back to another video. In today's video I have a dorm tour. If you guys don't know, I attend U of I, which is the best school. But today I'm going to show you guys around. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. We just hit 1K and now we're on the road to 5K. Let's get into the video. Okay you guys, so this is the first hallway. And as you can see, there's a door right here. This dorm is originally meant for 4 people, but only 2 people currently live here. And right here, this is my room. Are you guys ready for the big review? Here is my room. So, the first stop will be the closet. The crazy part is there's not a door, so I got these curtains from Big Lots. And as you just push that back, at the top you can see that I have some gray bins where I just keep like cleaning supplies. I have some snacks, cups, bowls, and iron. All of my clothes are right here. I have my hamper and I have my shoes down here. So let me close that up. And as we come around here, I just have my book bag sitting here. I think kind of just adds a little special touch to the room. And I also have another bin where I pretty much keep like lotion or like my makeup bag, any kind of like miscellaneous body products. And as we go to around right here, we have my beautiful bedding. I got this throw blanket. It's so soft from Target. And my bedding is from Kohl's. And this throw pillow right here is also from Target. And the cool thing about this bed is that when you lift it up, there are some drawers down here. So there are 3 on this side and there are 3 on this side as well. And underneath here, I just have another container where I keep like my beauty products down here as well, and one right here. And as we go above my bed, as you can see, I have my painting that I did. It just says love. As you can tell, I wanted to really go for like a white, black, and gray room theme. And as we come around here, I have 2 pictures on the wall. This one says fashion, and this one says I do not do fashion. And I also have my LED lights, and I will turn those on for you a little bit later. And as you come right here, I have my picture that says blessed. I forgot where I got that from, but I also have my calendar, my jewelry holder, and check out my Dollar Tree video if you haven't to see how to make it. And I have my tissue. Okay guys, so after this section right here, I have this nice body mirror. I got this mirror from Target. I love it because I can see my full outfit. And right next to it, I have my desk. I have my TV up top with this stand that I got from Amazon, my remotes. I got these cute little gray bins from Target as well in like the dollar section where I just pretty much keep my face mask. This is the mask U of I gave us. And I have another one on this side, my hand sanitizer. And as we go to the bottom of the desk, I have my mirror that I got from Target. I have this thing to keep my pencils and pens. This candle is really here just for decoration. And I have this cool lighter box that says Faith, and I could turn it on and off, and it's battery operated. I got this for $5 and below. And I have my Vaseline, my room spray to keep my room smelling fresh. I have this nice beautiful lamp, and I love it because it has little power cords. I have my flowers, and I have my planner. And right here, as you can see, this is what I keep like pretty much in my desk. I just have some pencils, some face masks, calculator, tape, some lashes. That's not really school supplies, but it's there. And let's just move this out of the way. Underneath the desk, you can see that I pretty much just have some snacks. I have my fruit snacks. I have my little granola bars. So yeah, I keep that underneath my desk. And also underneath, I have like my notebooks there too, school supplies. I'm gonna put that, we're just gonna put this here for now. And also, in this one, I have more school supplies as well. So yes, got my stapler, more pencils, post-it notes, all of that underneath my desk. At the bottom, you can see I have this nice fluffy gray rug. I got this from Amazon. And right here next to my desk, they gave us a little trash can. And as you look up on my wall, I have this A$AP Rocky Dior poster. Okay, you guys, I want to show you my LED lights. So all I have to do is just click the button and turn them on. So this is pretty much the color I keep them on, but I can always switch it. That's red, green, blue, and that's white. I'm going to turn off the lights too so you guys can get a better appreciation for it. So that's what it looks like off. And I can also click a button where they pretty much just change colors. And I got these off of Amazon if you guys want to get them as well. I think it's a cool little touch to add to your room, and I love it when it's nighttime. Okay, you guys, so this is my living area. Right here I have my fridge and my microwave. They gave us this cool little stand right here. I think it was meant for a TV, but me and my roommate have our own personal one, so we just decided to put some cute flowers right here. And she has her own fridge here as well. We have this cool little thing on the floor, and I have this nice big rug that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. And I love that they gave us little sitting chairs. You can sit here, relax, do a paper if you need to. And we also have this nice couch right here. We put some white pillows to kind of add a touch. And as you go from the living room, right here is another mirror, which I love. And here are the other rooms. So this room right now is empty, but this is my roommate's room. So she gave me permission to show you guys. So we're gonna go in. This is her room. It's very cute. She also has some lights so we can plug that up as well. Her room is so cute. I love that it's very, I feel like it's like very girly, which I love. And yeah, this is her room. She has some cute pictures right there. And she has a pink mirror. And she also put up some curtains on her door as well. As we leave that area, the bathroom, this is a nice bathroom right here. So we have our towels, our soap, and underneath we pretty much keep our cleaning supplies. So some storage underneath there. And there's some more right here. And as we go right here, this is the bathroom. So you can come in here. Very tiny. I like that it's separate from the shower, so we need to use it. We have some toilet paper down, some spray, just in case you know somebody got something going on. And as we leave right here, we have some more space right here to keep like our body products. This is like my little shower can. This is basically my shelf. This is her shelf. We have this cute little marble trash can that matches the soap dispenser. And this is the shower. So as you come into here, we have a curtain. It's a pretty nice shower. Like I love that I have my own this year instead of community style. So it pretty much speaks for itself. We have our towels right here. And we're gonna come from right there. Also, you guys, I forgot to show you that I love the fact that they gave us like this cool little storage space right here. Oop, that's another light. That's the light for that. So we pretty much just have like a Swifter, some extra containers. So this is a nice little storage area. Alright, you guys, that's the end of the tour. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you're in college, comment down below and let me know how your year is going. Bye! You can kind of have like a little... Is it gonna go? That's weird. Work. I gotta redo that. These lights keep it like, I can't talk. Justin, why are you zooming in on me? This is the last time. nasty.